the tactical mind, the practical mind, the strategic mind. When you go through life with a tactical mind, when you align skills with intention and power, you get results. Tactical mind goes through life with an objective. Now, like water, it can't be stopped. It thinks optimally and tactically. It's not rigid. It thinks both in and outside of the box, both yin and yang, because you need both. You need a foot in reality. Many people are either too mechanical or they're too esoteric, and so they don't get the result. All right? That perfect balance is called the tactical mind. And when you have an objective and you go after it with strategy, with skill, with intention, with energy and power, that's how you get what you want. Tactical mind skills is the ninja mind, is the samurai mind, is the Kahuna mind. Tactical mind skills. Now, I find so many people out there preach this stuff or talk about it, but they don't actually do it. Okay? The key isn't the doing. You may remember when Bruce Lee said, knowing is not enough, we must do. Okay? Tactical mind does it. It gets the job done. And in my Unfair Secrets of Ultimate Warriors course, I show you how to get it done. Whatever your goal is, you can accomplish it. Whatever self-empowerment, self-improvement, whatever goal that you have in your life, whatever objective you have, the tactical mind can get you there. Okay? And it's important to get these skills, to get these tactics, strategies, and optimum knowledge. It comes down to changing internally and externally. Remember, in order to change your environment and your manifestations and the things that you get, you have to make internal changes first. You need both. You need the internal energy. It's called congruency. Internal energy, warrior energetics. Internal energy combined with knowledge and skills and congruency in body, mind, and spirit. With a tactical mind and an intention, you become unstoppable. The tactical mind is what it's about. So start thinking tactically. And stop thinking in terms of just your feelings, your emotions, and your desires. That's why the Buddha said that desire is the root of all suffering. Okay? Change that and become a tactical mind. So you're no longer Pavlov's dog. You're no longer like a schoolgirl hearkening to every little upset. But instead, you're focused like a laser. Okay? Change your focus right now. The warrior meditation is included in the Unfair Secrets of Ultimate Warriors course, Warrior Meditation, to develop that inner power, that tactical mind. It's yours for the taking. And even right now, just hearing my voice, you feel a little bit differently. And you know that you can think tactically. Try it. Replace reactive thinking with tactical thinking. Try that. Next time you find yourself thinking in an unoptimal way, switch it to tactical thinking and think in a way that empowers you and strengthens you and leads you to a path of power. I'll talk to you soon, my friends. Unfairsecrets.com. That's where you can get the course. Till May 24th, it's over half off. I highly advise you get it because it's our best one yet. Talk to you soon.